There is another weather advisory for Kansas. High winds that are worse than yesterday's. Do we choose to dodge the deers or try and stay on our bikes in incredibly high winds? Wind deers. Wind deers. We've been quite good at dodging deers so far, so yeah, off we go. Nick's gonna lead. So let's go and see how far we can get before it gets real windy. Windy now. So we're gonna see how far we can get, and if we have to stop, then yeah, we have to stop. This has to be one of the dumbest things that we've ever done in our life. See those clouds ahead? See that? That's dust. That's a dust storm. That we have done some crazy things in our time, but oh my god, it is so windy. I hope the GoPro videos come out. It doesn't seem like there's any wind here because we're in town, but once you get out, literally you're being blown sideways. There's so much corn blowing on the road that people are going to wake up in Canada tomorrow and wonder why there's maize everywhere. But adventurous. Gosh, it looks like a dust storm out there. Oh, it is. To add a bit of spice to it, it's now also almost 30 degrees. Whoa! Jeepers! Creepers! I love the way you laugh. Oh. Into that dust storm.
Apparently, Beck's just trying to find somewhere to stop. That's if he hasn't got blown away by the time we get there.
Bailing.
Bailing?
Yeah, for like 10 hours. My eyes are just full of dust.
Right. My nostrils full of dust. So, yeah, we've been sort of riding on that angle pretty much all the way. And it seems to not get any better. There really is that jump